Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects many of us, overcoming toxic self-talk with the power of positive affirmations. Stay tuned as we explore how to transform your inner dialogue and boost your self-esteem. Toxic self-talk is that inner voice that tells us we're not good enough, smart enough, or capable enough. It can be incredibly damaging, leading to feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt. But there's good news. We can change this narrative with positive affirmations. First, let's understand the impact of toxic self-talk. These negative thoughts can become a self-fulfilling prophecy, affecting our confidence, mental health, and overall well-being. Recognizing these harmful patterns is the first step towards change. To start, become aware of your negative self-talk. Write down the recurring negative thoughts you experience. This will help you identify specific areas where you need to make a change. Now replace those negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Affirmations are simple positive statements that you repeat to yourself to challenge and overcome negative thoughts. For example, if you often think, "I'm not good enough," replace it with, "I am capable and worthy of success." Practice these affirmations daily, especially in front of a mirror. Speaking them out loud can reinforce their impact. Say things like, "I am confident, I am resilient, and I am deserving of love and happiness." Incorporate affirmations into your daily routine. Start your day with a few positive statements and end your day with gratitude affirmations. Meditation and mindfulness can also support this process. Spend a few minutes each day in quiet reflection, focusing on your affirmations and visualizing your goals and desires. Many successful individuals use affirmations to maintain a positive mindset. Oprah Winfrey, for example, credits affirmations for helping her achieve her goals. To overcome toxic self-talk, start by recognizing and challenging your negative thoughts. Replace them with positive affirmations, practice them daily, and integrate them into your routine. With time and consistency, you'll notice a significant shift in your mindset and self-esteem. Embrace the power of positive affirmations as a tool for personal growth and transformation. You deserve to speak to yourself with kindness and compassion. I am capable of achieving great things. Every day I'm growing and becoming a better version of myself. I am worthy of love, respect, and happiness. I embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. My potential is limitless and I believe in my abilities. I'm surrounded by love and support from those who care about me. I choose to focus on the positive and let go of negativity. I am confident in my decisions and trust the path I am on. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more educational and inspirational content. Thank you for watching, and remember to speak positively to yourself every day.